Want to make your text bounce letter by letter in PowerPoint? Let's create this fun animation. First, remove this default text box. Then type your text onto the slide and format it with your favorite font size and style. Go to character spacing, more spacing. Set the spacing to around 15 pt. Now select your text and go to the Animation tab. Choose the bounce animation. Open the Animation Pane and double click to open its setting. Go to the Effect tab. Under Animate Text, select by letter. Now open the Timing tab. Start after previous. Set the duration around 5 seconds. For a continuous effect, set repeat until next click. Now press F5 to start the slideshow and watch your text bounce letter by letter. Thanks for watching and follow for more PowerPoint animation tricks.